Hi friends, so here we are updating the Lindo Dual-Camera Doorbell. I'm going to click on Settings, just that little icon on the screen there on the right hand side. Okay, that's going to pull up our doorbell, and we want to update the firmware here. So we're going to go to motion detection under, let's see, video settings. Motion detection, and switch that off. Okay. Okay, once that's off, then we go back to settings. Click on device info, and then click on that red dot there to the right of the camera. Okay, and then we're going to push the update button. And it takes about 4 minutes or so. So we're just gonna hang on for a second. Okay, it'll say updating there. Okay, a few minutes later, and there we go. We are on the current version. Go back there. And we can go back to motion detection and switch that on. All right. Okay, well, the updated firmware there. Now my camera doesn't have that purple hue there anymore, so that's cool. Definitely, look at that. A lot clearer, and the purple hue is gone. Okay, so updating these firmware definitely made the device a lot more responsive, and looks like everything's working much better now. It was a little slow on a couple things. But now seems to be quite a bit quicker on everything. The purple hue is gone. HD camera's working great there. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.